Our bodies are designed to eat more holistic foods. When I talk about holistic foods, I want you to think about foods that are at their closest natural state. We're not talking about processed foods and boxed foods that you find in grocery stores that when you read the label and what it consists of is of 20 different types of ingredients. Look at the foods here that we have presented in front of you, and these are all more or less foods that are in their most natural forms. I want you to start thinking about the types of foods you're logging into your food journal. The types of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, such as a piece of salmon, an avocado, spinach, lentils. All these provide your macronutrients, but at the same time provide micronutrients, which are your vitamins and your minerals. When logging our carbohydrates, I want you to start thinking of the type of carbohydrates you're eating. Let's start moving away from the refined sugars and white pastas and breads to more holistic foods such as different types of fruits, sprouted breads, beans, and legumes. Proteins. Proteins are amino acids, and we can get these from two sources, animal-based or plant-based, such as seafood, lean meats, poultry. Those will provide a complete profile of amino acids. If we're looking to choose a vegetable source, we can look towards different types of nuts, seeds, legumes, beans, and also soy products. Let's also take into consideration the types of fats that we're consuming in our diet. In our food journal, look at these types of foods that we're putting in. Where are the sources of fat coming from? Is it from butter, margarines, or from nuts, seeds, different types of olives, avocados, even fish? Let's start to look at the quality versus the quantity of these types of foods. Let's make sure we're doing a better job at choosing better sources that yield a more nutrient-dense response versus a caloric response. In our next video segment, I will be discussing some helpful tools on how to integrate a healthier diet into your lifestyle.